On Monday, Jupiter and Saturn will come closest to each other in what is being called the Great Conjunction, as a celestial marvel was last observed in 1623 and will again take place in 2080. The two slow-moving planets will be 0.1 degrees apart. Here's all you need to know about it. According to NASA, the timing of the conjunction will be such that everyone will be able to view it. They will appear so close that a pinky finger at arm's length will easily cover both the planets in the sky. If one views through a telescope, Jupiter's 4 large moons orbiting the planet can also be seen. It will be visible nearly an hour after sunset in the southwestern sky. In India, the conjunction is likely to be visible between 6:30 pm and 7:30 pm. Why is the conjunction being called Christmas star? Though the planet will be apart, they will appear as one big star, like what is believed to be Christmas star or the Star of Bethlehem, which appeared in the eastern sky when Jesus Christ was born. The book of Matthew mentions a star which, according to the Bible, led the 3 wise men to Jerusalem. The conjunction will also coincide with the December solstice, the shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere and the longest in the southern. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.